So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. In this video, we will discuss about budget 2021. Is this helpful for electric vehicle industry or not? But before we get into this topic, let's see what the industry's experts or what the electric vehicle manufacturers expected from the budget 2021. Because this electric vehicle industry have some expectations on the budget 2021. So I want to discuss the two main things from the electric vehicle manufacturer side, and I also want to add one more topic from the buyer side. So the first thing is the extension of FAME 2 scheme. People who doesn't know about FAME 2 scheme, the full form is faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. The main motto of this scheme is to give incentives and support the electric vehicle buyers. So for this scheme, they have allocated 10,000 crore rupees, and the majority of the money will be utilized for giving subsidies on electric vehicles, whereas 1,000 crore rupees are allocated for charging station to set up charging stations across India. So as a part of this FAME 2 scheme, one of the main objective is to support at least 10 lakh electric two-wheelers. But if you see the sales report today, whatever these electric two-wheelers eligible under FAME 2 scheme subsidies, the sale numbers are not even reached to 1 lakh. It's still in thousands only. So this is a bit concerning for electric vehicle manufacturers. So they are expecting in budget 2021, the FAME 2 scheme policy will be extended by another 5 years till 2027. So that is the first thing what the manufacturers are expecting. And the second thing is about the GST prices. Currently, if you see the charging stations and the swapping stations, for setting up the charging stations or the swapping station infrastructure, so the GST is 18%. So the manufacturers expected this GST will be slashed up to 5%. That is what the second thing. But from our side, what we expected from the buyer side, whatever the electric vehicle user side, to give exemption on road tax and registration fees. But you might think like government already issued this, but earlier what the central government said means they have given all the powers to state governments. So it's the state government authority to waive off the registration fees or the road tax. But the problem here is, even though some state governments approved electric vehicle policies, take for an example Andhra Pradesh state government and Telangana government, they have already approved the electric vehicle policy. But in our channel we have received so many comments like if I buy an electric vehicle, they are charging registration fees or the road tax also. But there is somewhat unclear about the output of this road tax exemption and registration process. The main motto here is to benefit the customer, whoever the electric vehicle buyers. But the policy implementation is a big question here. If you can see the Telangana policy or the AP policy, still users are complaining about the registration fees or the road tax policy. But what we expected from the budget 2021 means the central government should announce there will be no road tax and no registration on electric vehicle purchase, and it should be from the high command, like central government is the high command, right? That's what we thought, but it is not happened. So I thought if you look at this budget 2021, it's somewhat a disappointing thing for electric vehicle manufacturers or electric vehicle buyers also. But on the other hand, if you look at other projects like the solar energy, they have allocated 1,000 crore rupees, and also they have implemented the scrappage policy, and also they have given 2,000 crore rupees to control the air pollution. So these three steps are indirectly boosting the electric vehicle industry, because now the government started taking serious actions regarding pollution, and they are very cautious about the environmental issues in India. Because if you look at the scrappage policy here, so after 15 years lifetime, the emissions from the vehicle is heavy. Whatever the exhaust pollution, it will be more than twice or thrice. So this scrappage policy somewhat reduces the pollution level. That is one thing. And whatever the 1,000 crore rupees given for the solar energy, it is a part of renewable energy resource also. And the next allocation for the controlling of air pollution level, that is one more thing. So what we can say from all these steps means the best alternative and the feasibility from fossil fuel vehicles is electric vehicles. So people have to start taking serious about electric vehicles now, because the petrol prices are reaching to the top levels, almost reaching a century also. Even though the budget 2021 disappointed the electric vehicle manufacturers, but still there is a hope for us, because FAME 2 scheme is valid till March 31st of 2022. We need to wait for another 1 year. In the next year budget, we need to hope like they will announce something for the electric vehicle industry. But our main concern is whatever the policy is available right now, the FAME 2 scheme, it has to be effectively used. The money has to be reached to the beneficiary, who are the electric vehicle owners. That's the main thing we need to look. Forget about the charging station, because they have announced 1,000 crore rupees for the charging infrastructure. But if you you look at the actual reality, we hardly see one charging station for every state. In some states, there is not even a single fast charging station also. In the FAME 2 scheme, they have clearly mentioned that for every 25 kilometer radius in the highways, there will be one fast charging station will be installed, but nothing has happened so far. At least forget about one charging station at every 25 kilometer radius. At least one charging station should be installed at every highway. That is what is prerequisite for strengthening up the charging infrastructure, because most of the electric vehicle sales are happen from electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers. These kind of electric vehicle categories can be charged at home, but the problem here is, if there are charging stations, there will be a moral support for the electric vehicle users, and people who are willing to shift for electric vehicles, they will think, okay, there are charging stations available, so we can buy this electric vehicle if in case of emergency there are charging stations availability. So this is what this subconsciously they need to habit for the electric vehicles. The one thing they need is a charging infrastructure. That is why electric vehicle industry need charging stations, and it has to be happen from the government side, and it is actually from the FAME 2 scheme itself. So it is not somewhat out of the box, it is actually a part of FAME 2 scheme, and they have allocated 1000 crore rupees, and there is no serious actions taken to support the charging infrastructure, and supporters of electric vehicles have to wait for the next year budget. Go green, go electric.